Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you photo manipulation techniques in Photoshop. Let me show you how to create this typography effect in Photoshop. Start by writing your word. This is the font that I am using and you can find it online. Choose the Move tool, right-click on the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T to enter free transform mode. Rotate and scale the text while holding the Shift button to maintain proportions. Right-click and choose Warp to adjust the text shape as needed. When you finish, press Enter to apply the transformation. Select this layer and press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Move the copied layer to the top of the Layers panel. Hide the copied layer by clicking the eye icon next to it. Hold Alt and click between the two layers to create a clipping mask. Show the copied layer again by clicking the eye icon. Add a layer mask by clicking the layer mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Click on the mask thumbnail to select it, then press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Now, choose the brush tool from the toolbar. Set the hardness to 100% and make sure the foreground color is white. Start brushing over the areas where you want the text to appear. Your main subject will reveal itself as you brush. That's it. I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and also watch other tutorials on my channel. Thanks for your support.